welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review the second product that I have for CurlSmith, the copper color, the hair makeup. Now in my previous video, which is in the description, and when I colored my hair pink, I did not have a good results from it. My hair was like very dry, even though the pink color was beautiful and vibrant and the twist out came out really great. My hair was super dry and it was so flaky. It was flakes everywhere. So I said the next time that I do it, which I have to use this one because I bought two of them, I would have make sure that my hair is completely moisturized, because when I did with the pink, it wasn't moisturized. It just had the leave-in conditioner, but I didn't put in my African shea. So I saturated my hair very nicely after I washed, condition, and deep condition, and now I am ready to try this. And this is going to be in my protective hairstyle, so I'm not going to leave it out all week. Hopefully tomorrow when it dries, it's not drying. If it is, then I'll just have to rinse it out and just put it in a different style, because it's winter time. I cannot afford for my hair to be more dry than it is because of a hair product. So yeah, I'm going to part my hair and then get started. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look. So shimmery and gold. Alright, let's hope this works. Yep, I'm just going to put a little bit more African shea. Just a little bit. I'm just going to do a very simple protective hairstyle too. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Okay, so I finished the back. It's very messy. I'm just going to put it in a curly bun. Advice: if you're going to do your hair wet like this and moisturize, be sure you have a towel, because color and everything gets on everything. It's kind of like hair. So for the front, I just part it diagonal. And I'm going to do like medium-sized twist going back. There's some African shea. I don't know if the color is going to be as vibrant because I'm using African shea on here, but we'll find out. It's an experiment, a hair experiment. There we go. You can't see it that much because the sun is like in the way, but there we go. There's that side. And I'm going to do this side. So I went diagonal with this one, and I'm going to go straight back on this side. So now I'm going to wipe all the excess color off my face, but this is what it's like so far when it's dry. I'll come back to you in the morning when it's completely dry and see what the final results are. Until then, see you. Hi, so it's 2 days later since I did my protective hairstyle with the CurlSmith, and you can see the color is fading a little bit, and the reason why it's coming down is because when I sweat and I work out, then it just like leaks a little bit. And when I touch it, like, it is moisturized because I put a good amount of African shea in there, and the color is still showing, but it's not as vibrant. And when I touch it, you can still see there is hair transfer, because even when I sleep on my pillow, I still see it. So unfortunately, even with following CurlSmith's instructions of not putting anything in there except for leave-in conditioner, which I did with the pink, and my experiment with moisturizing it didn't work. So unfortunately, CurlSmith is not for me. I would not be using this product again. I still have more product of the pink and the copper, but I'm just going to throw it in the garbage because unfortunately it just doesn't work for me. So what I'm going to do now is Tuesday, and I always leave my protective hairstyle in for the rest of the week, but I'm tired of this color. I'm tired of being in my hair. So I'm going to take my hair down. I will come back to you in a minute to show you how it looks with it down. And I'm going to rinse it out and just put it in 2 curly puffs and just keep going with my day. But yeah, I got to get this out. So just hold on a sec. So this is how my hair looks with it taken down. You see the color more when I take it down, but I still don't like it. It's very stringy because I had to put so much hair conditioner in there, and my hands are, see. So yeah, those are the reason why I won't use CurlSmith again, because even though the color is great, like when you only put the leave-in conditioner, it's flaky. It does do color transfer, especially when you moisturize your hair first, and it's extremely drying because it is a gel. So yeah, I won't use this again. I don't feel comfortable with this product in my hair, so I'm going to deep condition my hair and just rinse this out and just be done with it and just get rid of the rest of the products that I have. I just don't want to see it anymore. That's how much I don't like this product. So yeah, that's my full review. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.